We're going to take a look at the project now. You'll find the project here underneath the bottom of the challenge problems, quizzes, exams area of the module, technology project number 1. And so when you get there, this is what you're going to be doing is you're going to be trying to create bias. And again, hopefully it's pretty straightforward in terms of what needs to be done. You'll be conducting a simple survey asking 2 questions, right? One survey is a very straightforward question, unbiased. That's your attempt, where the result is one quantitative response. And then you are creating a second survey where you're trying to create some bias, right, within it. And there's some examples here to follow, right? The key is that it needs to be a quantitative variable. And I know it's not the most appropriate method, but given for surveying, but for now, you're going to use whatever technique you need to get 15 people for each of the surveys. You just want to make sure that each group is representative, right? That they're similar groups. So if they're your friends, 15 of your friends, 15 of your friends, you want to make sure the groups are similar in some way, right? And so make sure to distinguish that, how the 2 groups are similar. Once you've collected the data, then you're just going to, it's really a technology project. So you want to create a frequency table using technology, an appropriate graph, describe the distribution, provide the summary statistics for that, and then compare them, right? And explain which had a greater center. Because you're really trying to see, remember, have you created bias? And again, this is not a truly scientific process because of our sampling technique. We need more. We need probably more people, and we would also require that really making sure they're representative. And then we would have some other techniques to check to see if you created bias. But again, we're just going through the process of collecting some data, using technology to create the representations, and then to end, you make your conclusion, right? Were you able to create bias based on your results? And so that's it. That's what you would have. And of course, again, any questions, please let me know. This is where you would upload this. There's a nice little video here to kind of help you with this idea of bias with surveys to kind of extend that idea.